My initial plan for the roof was to remove it entirely, but the front section of the roof is very solid, and the way the roof is attached here is also different, with the cabin panels covering the channel and the outer panel. So now I'm thinking of keeping the front part of the roof and cutting across just behind the cabin. I drilled small holes along the line I'll use to give me a reference from outside. With that cut, I continued to separate the side panels from the channel. Now I've tried a few ways to do this: chiseling, drilling, cutting through the spot welds, and I've come to accept that either way you go about it, some damage is going to occur. I just have to approach it in a way that I feel most comfortable in repairing. And with a little help, things got a lot easier.
Grinder. Sander. Hammer and chisel. Grinder. Drill. What else have we got?
And then my woman came up with the solution.
It's so easy, just need this. It's coming off. Yep, that should do it.
I don't know why I didn't think of that.
Something. Got it. Oh, yes. Hold it there. My head is holding it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got it.
You got it. Fortunately, just...
Yep. I thought Priscilla. Now that's recording.
Yes!
Take my big dress.
I've reached a huge milestone here. I was quite concerned about cutting the roof off, but I'm really happy that it's done now. My next stage will probably be to repair the top part of the panel here so that the new channels can be spot welded back in.
Gesundheit!
And when I say new channel, I'm going to try and make my own with my new folder and bead roller.